So today on the KTM 390 Enduro R, I am going to attempt to fit a Rally Raid skid plate, bash plate to the bike. This is the plate. It is actually excellent quality. The only issue I've got is I'm not entirely sure it's going to fit with my Coober decat pipe. This is the Coober decat pipe. Obviously point A is the same and point B is the same. It's just the routing it takes is apparently ever so slightly different. So I got conflicting messages from Rally Raid. One email said yes, it will fit. The other one said actually we've not tried it, so have a go and tell us if it does fit. So this isn't going to be a how-to video, this is going to be a will it video. So if the rain holds off, which I'm really hopeful that it will, because there's not much space in my workshop shed to work on the bike, I'm going to quickly whip this off, offer it up and see how we go. Also today I think I'm going to do some chain adjustment. It needs a bit of love, and it's done 2,700 miles now, so I'll probably need to adjust it again, give it a clean, give it a lube and see where we go. This is the two skid plates side by side. Obviously the stock one is much thinner, not heavy duty at all. I think they said this weighs about 3.6 kilos. That's probably about a kilo. So yeah, there is a bit of extra weight there, but not a problem. So yeah, I'm going to offer this one up and see if it looks like it's going to fit. I couldn't see any instructions with it, so I'll have a look to see if I can work it out myself. If not, I'll go online and see if there's any instructions there. So this is the hardware that comes with it. It's got a rut on it for right, which I'm assuming is as you sit on the bike. So that's going to be that side, that's going to be the left side. I'm assuming also, a lot of assumption going on here, that these bolt on via the main cradle bolt. So yeah, I think that's the same diameter as that spacer there, so I think it goes in there, and then these bolt on through here. Yeah, okay, well, let's give that a go and see what happens. It's mostly all gone on, it will fit. It looks very sturdy. The only issue I've got is with the rear brackets. So these, let me get down it. These are triangular aluminium bits, sit basically on top of the skid plate, and they are there to locate the rear of the skid plate with the existing hardware. Now, this is the bolt that goes through there as standard. However, it uses this sleeve, which is 10-11 mil. This, let me see if I can get this. So that is 10 mil, but the inside diameter of these is also 10 mil, so they won't fit. I'm going to give Rally Raid a quick phone call, see if I can get hold of them. I mean, the ideal solution, well, the quickest solution I can think of is just increase the diameter of this hole here so that fits in. But it just seems strange that they wouldn't have done that, unless I'm missing something, unless they would normally provide a different bolt. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe the diameter of the bolt will be different. I don't know. I'll give them a quick ring and see what they say. I don't know if you can see, well, you can, but the silver edges with the paint on, it was exactly the same diameter as these mounting brackets, so the bar wouldn't go through. So what I had to do was just basically file off the paint, and they will now fit perfectly. It'll go under like that, the bolt will go through, and it should hold it all on. So that's the skid plate all on, and yeah, pretty solid, pretty impressed with it. I think that's going to do the job. Yeah, there's no problem at all with the Coober decat. That fits in there fine as well. Okay, so time to give the chain a bit of love. It needs a good clean and adjust. So yeah, we'll get on and do that.